To stop a rattling sound on a Subaru, chances are it's a loose heat shield. Get yourself some heat insulating fabric. This is made out of fiberglass, so you want to make sure you're wearing gloves. And then this kit came with some metal zip ties. You're going to want to look for the cause of your rattle. Previously I had repaired the heat shield here with that fabric and those two metal zip ties. You can see it held up pretty well. Looking back, you can see there's now a bolt that has rusted out from this part of the exhaust, so this is loose, and when you hit, it makes a pretty bad rumbling sound, which is what you're hearing when the engine vibrates. So we're going to go ahead and put some fiberglass tape underneath this as best we can, wrap it back around over this shroud, and then secure it with the metal zip ties, and we'll see what that looks like. Here's the old job, the new job, and it's not quite as pretty as the old job, but it had to go further distance. But this should hold pretty well and also stop the vibration. Now there's no more vibration.